Docks Marine opens 7 days a week from 8 to 5. Sales, rental, service, all in one place. It's at Docks Marine, 5803 Eichard Ridge Road.
The individuals depicted have been arrested but not convicted at the time of story postings. This information does not infer or imply guilt of any actions or activity other than their arrest. We make no warranty or guarantee as to the accuracy of this data.
Welcome back into the WHKY News and the Crime Report. I'm Ralph Mangum. WHKY's Arianna Mack is up first with 3 arrests from Caldwell County, 1 from probation and parole, 1 from the Lenoir Police Department, and this one from the Caldwell Sheriff.
A Hudson woman was arrested for failure to return rental property. 41-year-old Jessica Watson Shoup of Hudson was arrested on Thursday by Caldwell County Sheriff's officers. She was charged with failure to return rental property and a probation violation. Shoup was jailed under $41,000 secured bond in the Caldwell County Detention Center. No court dates were listed. A Lenoir man is charged with probation violation. 59-year-old Ralph Garland Presswood of Lenoir was arrested on Thursday by probation and parole officers. He was charged with felony counts of probation violation and defrauding a drug or alcohol screening. Prestwood was jailed under $30,000 secured bond in the Caldwell County Detention Center. He is scheduled to appear in district court on October 31st. And a Lenoir woman arrested for failing to appear in court. 28-year-old Kristen Nicole Mosley of Lenoir was arrested on Thursday by Lenoir police officers. She was charged with 3 felony counts of failure to appear in court, a felony larceny, and resisting, delaying, or obstructing a public officer. Mosley was jailed under $8,500 secured bond in the Caldwell County Detention Center. A district court date was scheduled for October 17th. I'm Arianna Mack for WHKY.
Thank you, Arianna. A man has been charged in a case involving drugs and guns. Probably the first time we've ever had anything like that. Anyway, Rob Eastwood has that story.
The suspect was arrested following a traffic stop Wednesday in Troutman. Police reportedly seized methamphetamine and firearms during the stop. 23-year-old Dylan James Shaver of Salisbury was arrested Wednesday by Troutman police officers. He's charged with felony counts of possession of methamphetamine, possess, sell, or buy a gun with an altered serial number, and possession of a stolen firearm. He's also charged with 2 misdemeanor counts of carrying a concealed gun and single misdemeanor counts of possession of drug paraphernalia, possession of marijuana paraphernalia, and possession of marijuana up to 1/2 ounce. On Wednesday at approximately 12:30 a.m., officers conducted a traffic stop of a vehicle driven by Shaver on Talley Street near Ruffin Loop in Troutman. Officers searched the vehicle and found 4.83 grams of methamphetamine and 2 firearms. One of the firearms was found to have been stolen out of Rockwell, North Carolina, according to reports. The other firearm had the serial numbers removed. Following the arrest, Shaver was placed in the Iredell County Detention Center under $15,000 bond. As I file this report, he remains in jail. A district court appearance is scheduled for October 29th. Reporting for WHKY News, I'm Rob Eastwood.
Thanks, Rob. One more quick one before we go. 56-year-old Daryl Lamont Cornwell of East B Street in Newton has been arrested on charges of habitual breaking and entering a motor vehicle with theft, and injury to real property. Cornwell was jailed October 11th in the Catawba County Detention Facility with bond set at $10,000. An appearance in district court was scheduled for October 14th in Newton. That brings us to the end of today's crime report. Thank you all for joining us. For WHKY, I'm Ralph Mangum, reminding you to keep it clean and to keep it legal.